What if UFOs are real? The intriguing concept of woo, an informal term often used to describe ideas considered irrational or based on magical thinking, especially those related to the paranormal, holistic health, and pseudo-scientific phenomena, has been the subject of numerous debates. As a divisive idea, woo lies on the precipice of alternative and conventional perspectives about the universe, often associated with spiritual beliefs contradicting many principles of empirical science. A pressing question for many is, what if the woo is real? This paper explores potential correlations and convergences between scientific ideas, particularly quantum physics, and spiritual theories, offering a fresh lens to discern their possible intersection or interplay. The quantum universe and spiritual beliefs. A common ground. Quantum physics, with its peculiarly mysterious nature, offers an intriguing connection to spiritual beliefs. Many see a spiritual resonance in quantum concepts such as wave-particle duality, quantum entanglement, and the superposition of states. These scientific phenomena challenge traditional materialistic views of the universe similar to spiritual theories, suggesting that reality might be something beyond what we understand. Wave-particle duality and the subjective universe. In quantum physics, the wave-particle duality illustrates that fundamental particles such as photons and electrons can behave as both waves and particles, depending on whether they are observed or not. This mirrors the spiritual concept of the subjective universe, where reality changes based on individual consciousness or observation. Quantum physics thus substantiates the spiritual idea that reality is not merely an observer-independent entity, but one that might be directly influenced by consciousness or subjective experience. Quantum entanglement and universal oneness. Quantum entanglement, another key feature of quantum physics, describes that two or more particles can be entangled in such a way that their properties become interdependent, no matter the physical distance separating them. This theory bears a striking resemblance to spiritual ideologies stressing the interconnection and oneness of the universe. The sense of inseparability and universal oneness often conveyed in spirituality finds a quantitative representation in the theory of quantum entanglement, further blurring the line between empirical science and spiritual beliefs. Superposition principle and infinite possibilities. The quantum superposition principle, demonstrating that a quantum system can exist in multiple states simultaneously until it is measured or observed, similarly resonates with spiritual beliefs associated with the woo. The spiritual view that the universe offers infinite possibilities and realities could be seen as akin to quantum superposition. The assertion by spiritual practitioners that reality is shaped by our choices and perceptions echoes the idea of collapsing the quantum wave function to bring about one reality from a myriad possible states. This intriguing parallel fosters a deeper dialogue between quantum physics and spiritual beliefs, opening pathways for further exploration and understanding. Influence of other scientific theories. Apart from quantum physics, other scientific theories like the multiverse theory, string theory, and chaos theory strongly resonate with spiritual beliefs. The multiverse theory, which proposes the existence of multiple universes, aligns with spirituality's acceptance of multiple realities. String theory, positing the universe is composed of one-dimensional strings rather than point-like particles, reverberates with spiritual understandings of the universe's profound connectivity. Chaos theory echoes spiritual ideas of causality and the concept of karma, that every action brings about a reaction. Spiritual beliefs and UFO technology. The intersection between quantum physics, spiritual beliefs, and woo takes an even more interesting turn when we consider the assertions made by individuals like Bob Lazar. Lazar, famously claiming to have worked on reverse engineering extraterrestrial technology, added a unique dimension to this discourse, which includes the potential existence and understanding of alien beings. Lazar's narrative involves advanced propulsion systems purportedly operating on gravitational principles rooted in quantum mechanics. Specifically, the manipulation of gravity waves. Lazar suggests that these alien technologies harness and create gravitational fields, a concept that resonates with quantum gravity theories that are still struggling to gain mainstream empirical validation. The spiritual correlation emerges when considering the alleged advanced consciousness of these extraterrestrial beings. Many Wu theories suggest that aliens possess higher spiritual awareness and operate on dimensions beyond our current comprehension. While these assertions are speculative, they intriguingly match some interpretations of quantum theory, hinting at the existence of higher dimensions and the possibility of incredibly advanced consciousness capable of manipulating reality on a quantum level. Bob Lazar's experiences, if analyzed from a spiritual perspective, suggest a form of universal consciousness and advanced understanding of the universe, seemingly intertwined with elements of quantum physics. However, it's vital to approach such assertions with critical openness, relation to non-locality and spirituality. One of the profound implications of quantum physics is the refutation of local realism. In layman's terms, local realism is the idea that objects must exist independently of observation and their characteristics are predetermined. However, the phenomenon of quantum entanglement challenges this, suggesting instant linkage between particles irrespective of distance, shattering the framework of local realism. Quantum entanglement and non-locality align remarkably well with various spiritual conceptions of the universe, suggesting a fundamental interconnectedness that transcends our ordinary notions of time and space. Let's explore this intersection in more detail. Unified consciousness. Central to many spiritual practices is the principle of a unified consciousness or collective consciousness, that all living beings share a universal, interconnected mind. This idea parallels the quantum non-locality concept, where it's feasible for particles to be interconnected across vast cosmic distances, thus facilitating instantaneous interaction. It propounds the existence of a non-local, unified reality that transcends physical boundaries, aligning closely with the spiritual notion of a universal consciousness. Time, space, and reality. In spirituality, time and space are often depicted as illusions or constructs of human perception, suggesting a reality that exists beyond our observed universe. Quantum non-locality lends credence to this idea. Bell's theorem, which proves that local hidden variables cannot explain quantum entanglement, asserts that faster-than-light communication between particles is real. This seems to contradict our typical understanding of space-time limiting the speed of information, offering a glimpse into a reality beyond our perceived notions of space and time. Existence beyond perception. Quantum mechanics also challenges our typical views about objective reality. Says physicist John Wheeler, no phenomenon is a real phenomenon until it is an observed phenomenon. This relates to spiritual wisdom, which often suggests that perceptions may not reflect fundamental reality. From Maya or illusion in Hinduism to sunyata or emptiness in Buddhism, there exist numerous spiritual understandings of the world that transcend its apparent forms. Oneness and interconnectivity. Quantum non-locality also complements spiritual understanding of oneness or unity, encapsulated in sayings like "we are all one" or "we are all connected." Quantum entanglement suggests an underlying quantum field that is indivisible and interconnected. This seamless interconnectedness mirrors spiritual philosophies that emphasize unity and interdependence rather than separateness and individualism. Implications for spirituality. Spirituality often provides a deep awareness of our interconnectedness with the universe and broader life forms. In recognizing the essence of its teachings in the principles of quantum non-locality, we move closer to a more cohesive understanding of the universe. One that accommodates both the empirically observable and the spiritually experiential. The recognition of quantum non-locality signifies a shift in how we understand the universe. The spiritual perspective strives to accept, acknowledge, and understand this shift, instructing us to be mindful of our interconnectedness. With the power to challenge and alter perceptions of reality, quantum non-locality strengthens the spiritual argument for an interconnected, non-local universe. It also underscores spirituality's role in enabling humanity to navigate these shifts. Emphasizing interconnectedness, spirituality could guide us in adjusting to quantum realities. Advocating a cooperative and compassionate approach towards each other and the planet. Understanding the unity underlying apparent diversity, as implied by quantum entanglement and non-locality, we may be inspired to foster interconnectedness. Ushering in societies rooted in empathy, peace, and global unity. Post from user 180 Karma at Reddit.